start with number 1, how to create vertical tabs layout in Elementor. So let me add a bit of spacing in between. So there you go, perhaps something like this. And now let's import some demo content. So basically this is going to save us a lot of time. And for this, you can simply go to our landing page here and you will find many different examples, all looking absolutely fantastic and very professional. So you can use any of them, tweak them around and save a lot of time. So let's use this one for ourselves now. So as you can see, if you hover on top, you have this button here. You can copy this, go back to Elementor, right click on your section and then plus paste. And there you have it. As you can see, this has been recreated for us. Now we are missing those templates, so we need to import them as well. So if you hover on this one, you have another copy sign here. Okay, so each one of them here you can copy and paste them in the backend as well. So these are templates. So let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. Let me show you where these are. So we have Elementor, templates, saved templates, and for this all you have to do is click add new, select container, give it a name, so perhaps container number 1, and let's create a template. So there you go. So by default you will see the header and the footer section. Don't worry, once we import this into our Elementor page, it will only use the content itself. So let's create a new container. There you go. And now we can go back to our demo here. So as you can see, we have two different types. We have this one here with the purplish background and this one with a pinkish background. Okay, so we're only using 2 at the moment, but obviously you would create as many as you have tabs, obviously, you know. So if you hover on top here, we're going to copy this one, go back here, right click on this, plus paste, and now we can delete the original container here and then click publish. Now let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. And then we can do the same with container number 2. So there you go, we have 2 different containers now. So if we go back to our Elementor page, so as you can see right here on top, we have a title, so you can put any content you want. And then underneath, we have our tabs. So as you can see, this one is called tabs and tools. And again, this is from the plus add-ons ourselves, okay? So if you go here on by the side, you can see all the different contents. You have 5 tabs, email, notes, timing, website development. And this is exactly what we have here, email, notes, timing, website development. Now, how do you link this to this actual content here? Well, it's very simple. If you click on it, you expand this, as you can see, you can put the title, select the content source. So this is either content or page template. If you select content, you can simply type text here and it will appear immediately. Now, if you want something a little bit more sophisticated, like we have at the moment, like one of those saved templates, you will then select page template. And then right here, template or shortcode. In our case, this is a template. And then you can select which template you want to apply. So let's say, for example, here, container number 1. And as you can see, this is not showing up here by the side. So what we need to do, if you want to see it in the backend, you will see it in the front end as a preview, but you might not see it immediately in the backend. So what you need to do is to enable backend visibility. So let's enable this. And there you go. As you can see, this is linked to emails now. And if we do the same with the other ones, so let's say this one, we're going to select template as well, select container number 2, and then we can do the same with the other 3, okay? So there you go. So let's put this to the test. So if we click on email, we have a pink background and then purple, then pink, then purple and pink again. So obviously you would create 5 different templates here. We only have 2. It's just to show you how it works, obviously, you know. Now, as you can see, we have an autoplay. You can disable that if you want while you're working on it. You know, it might be less distracting. You go to extra options, tab autoplay. That's basically it. And then you can reactivate it afterwards as well. Now, obviously, if you're working off the demo, you will have 5 tabs by default here, but perhaps you need less than that, in which case you can simply delete them, okay? And if you need more than that, but you can add a new item. So let's create a new one here. So let's call this one new item. We're going to select page template, and then we're going to select template here. We're going to select our own template. So this one will be container 1, and that's basically it. As you can see, now we have 5 items again, and you can create your new one. That's basically how this works.